Hello everyone, and welcome. In the world of cybersecurity, we often hear the terms data breach and data leak used interchangeably. But there is a third, often more devastating event that organizations fear even more: data loss. Put simply, data loss occurs when sensitive or critical information is destroyed, deleted, or rendered completely unreadable. While a data breach means someone stole your information, data loss means that information is gone, sometimes forever. In the framework of the CIA triad, confidentiality, integrity, and availability, data loss is a direct failure of availability and integrity. It's the digital equivalent of a library burning down. The books aren't just stolen, they no longer exist to be read. To understand this better, let's look at the distinctions. In a data breach, the focus is on a loss of confidentiality. A hacker gains unauthorized access to your passwords or credit card numbers. You still have the data, but so does the attacker. In a data leak, data is accidentally exposed to the public, like leaving a filing cabinet unlocked in the middle of a street. But in data loss, the focus is on availability. Whether it's a wiped hard drive or a corrupted database, the primary issue is that the legitimate owner can no longer access or use their own information. The impact can range from a minor inconvenience to a total business shutdown. So how does this happen? It generally falls into three main categories. First, and most common, is human error. Statistics show that nearly 25% of data loss incidents are caused by simple mistakes. This includes accidentally clicking Shift+Delete on a critical folder, overwriting a master spreadsheet with a blank template, or improperly formatting a drive without a backup. Second, we have cyber attacks with malicious intent. Not every hacker wants to steal data. Some just want to destroy it. Ransomware is the most famous example. It encrypts your files, making them unreadable. If the decryption fails or the ransom isn't paid, that data is lost. Even worse is Wiper Malware, which is designed specifically to erase hard drives to cause maximum chaos during geopolitical conflicts. Third is hardware failure. Digital data lives on physical devices. Hard drives have mechanical parts that wear out, and SSDs have limited read-write cycles. If the physical platter of a drive crashes and there is no mirror, that data disappears into thin air. Let's look at some real-world examples to see the stakes. In 2017, the popular platform GitLab experienced a nightmare scenario. A system administrator accidentally deleted a directory on the wrong server during routine maintenance. Because multiple backup methods failed simultaneously, they lost 300 gigabytes of live production data. It took them 18 hours to recover, and some user data was lost permanently. Another example is found in healthcare. When ransomware hits a hospital, it's not just about the money. If a patient's MRI scans or surgical history are encrypted and lost, doctors cannot perform life-saving procedures. In these cases, data loss isn't just a business problem. It's a matter of life and death. How do we fight back? The gold standard is the 3-2-1 backup rule. You should have free copies of your data, stored on two different types of media. For example, one on a local server and one on an external drive. And one copy must be kept off-site or in the cloud. Additionally, companies use data loss prevention or DLP software. These tools monitor data while it's at rest, in use, or in motion, and can automatically block unauthorized deletion or transfers. Data loss is an inevitable risk in the digital age, but it doesn't have to be a catastrophe. With the right backup habits and security protocols, you can ensure that your zeros and ones stay safe and accessible. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of cybersecurity.